Henry Harper's bowler hat. It's the idea that we know whose it was.
Hey look, there's some kind of glass, maybe a mirror. Let's see if that's a mirror. It looks like it. It is.
Broken mirrors. Broke out mirrors. Someday.
Hangar 11 was occupied by Edith Russell. Before getting into the lifeboat, she went back to her cabin to lock her 19 trunks because she couldn't trust the spirit anymore. Jim was looking for Molly Brown station, and he had a pretty good idea of what that station would be. And he was searching for a forward-facing window.
The ROV is narrow enough to scoot right through there.
And I saw that there was jagged glass at the bottom of the windowsill. That discovered the turtle. Commit suicide.
Ken Marshall says we can do this.
The gamble.
Don't do it, don't do it.
Don't do it, or you'll go blind.
He's in there.
That's all I got about that.
Well, okay, I hope you're in. It's not that bad of an idea, I guess.
Well, nah.
That's not a grass bed, that's a wooden bed.
Kind of creepy.
I don't know, Molly Brown said she was in a brass bed, but
She's full of
a
shit.
brass bed.
She's lying. She wasn't even there.
She was desperate to be accepted by high society. Titanic tragedy made Virginia,
That's better.
I need to pee. I don't think I can hold it this long. For me,
I need to pee.
I'm nervous, you know.
Nervous wreck.
You know, privacy, but when you gotta go, you're
So,
too
eh?
down. You gotta go. I'm turning around. Yes, point your light straight into A deck.
My God, look at
Straight
that.
in.
Look at that, tell you. A brass bed. sitting
I'm looking
right in
alright, pal. Oh, man.
there. Maybe Molly Brown did stay in a brass bed.
Oh, I've never doubted it for a second.
They've built bigger and better ships since Titanic, but I don't know that they'll ever build one that was as luxurious. And even now, after 90 years of laying on the bottom of the ocean, its beauty came to life.
Right.
Okay, we're in. Okay, tell them we're in the promenade.
Jake's in the promenade.
He's in the promenade on you, Jake. Well done, mate.
D-deck, private promenade. They call them private promenade, yeah.
These were the fanciest, most expensive lodgings on the ship. In April 1912, you would have paid over $3,000 to book your passage.
100 million billion gajillion dollars.
Tudor facing. We are in the room.
Jake's in the room.
On you, Jake. Well done, mate.
The guy that left the ship.
Good effort, buddy.
Ooh, that's a beauty.
We're in the sitting room looking at the fireplace.
Isn't that amazing? That ribbon design still there.
My bloody ass.
Elegance.